Good morning. This morning's video is in regards to this Sharden 52-piece electric precision screwdriver set. $70 on the Amazon site. This comes with an instruction manual, a magnetic mat, it comes with a spudger, a small manual screwdriver, and compare that to one of these. You can see that it has quite a bit larger, easier to grip handle. And of course you can change out the bits. It comes with a magnetizer, demagnetizer, a USB 3 charging cord, but does not come with a charger. It comes with 3 plastic openers, I think they call them, or spudgers, and then 3 of this style of spudger. Let's see, let's zoom in here. You can see these, what the bits are that are in here. We have very tiny Phillips screws, Phillips screwdrivers, very tiny Torx. See if this has got anything written on it. That's a T2. We have very small flatheads, more Torx, this type of security bit. I see a lot of these on elevators. Triangle. What is this? Standoff bit for iPhones. So this is for iPhones, which I don't have. I have a real phone. We have some hex bits. We have some tri-wings. We have some security Torx. And we have some square. These. I don't know if these are just square or Robertsons. From the look of them, I'd say they're just square. And these, everything in here is pretty much metric. So let's run over the specs on this thing real quick. It claims 0.25 to 0.35 Newton meters of torque. Maximum manual torque 7 Newton meters. Charging time 1 hour. Has a lithium ion battery. 350 milliamp hour capacity. And unloaded rotational speed is 200 RPMs. That's maximum. There's actually 2 speeds. Pause and read this stuff if you're interested. So I did charge this when I first got it. Didn't take very long. It was mostly charged. If you look over here, right there, red numbers are the amp readings. And it's charging at 1100 milliamps, and now it's going down to 80 milliamps. Sorry, that was 110 milliamps, and now it's going down. It has a light which consists of 3 LEDs, which is turned on by pressing this button. Screw tightening, screwing in is the down arrow, screwing out is the up arrow. Holding the button down switches to a lower speed, higher torque. There's no on or off on this thing. I guess it just goes to sleep. And when in use, no load. It pulls about 140 milliamps. So, you know, it'll probably run for about 3 hours on a charge, depending on how, you know, that's actual time, not we'll try this on a few things. I've already used this a little bit, and I find that these buttons, you can hit them accidentally. There's nothing to protect them. So you can accidentally turn on the light, you can accidentally turn it off, you can accidentally hit the tighten or loosen. Oh, that's a security torque. Oh, and as you can see, you can use it while attached. So you can use it wired or wireless. You see that it does struggle in high-speed mode with some screws. That was the first thing I noticed. The first thing I tried to open with it was the case to a small video recorder, and quickly figured out that that wasn't going to work. It could not put out enough torque. And here we have a Harbor Freight. And I had previously unscrewed this with this and tightened it with it, and I am purposely not holding this tight when I tighten the screws. I don't want to over torque it. This isn't very strong, but it could over torque some screws. See if these are small enough. So it works on that. And this works pretty well too. I actually like this. I have a whole set of these El Cheapo screwdrivers, these small screwdrivers, and it's really difficult to get any kind of grip on them if you have something that's really tight, and this thing I think was going to work much better. I'm not going to do anything in regards to using this. I rarely need a spudger, so I mean, all I can tell you is I'll show you a different spudger that I've got. This is my old one. It has almost no protection for holding it. It's very sharp. It bends easy, and this one is covered in rubber, and it has a good grip on it, and it seems to be made out of slightly thicker metal. So I think this one will work just fine. As for this, let's see. As I understand it, you're supposed to put whatever it is in here. Well, first let me demagnetize it, and it won't pick anything up, and now it does. So it does work. I wouldn't say it magnetizes it the strongest, but if you want your screwdrivers magnetized, it'll do that. It'll magnetize these bits as well, which I have done. Otherwise, that's it. I mean, it's definitely something I'll use on very small items, especially if they have really long screws. But don't expect it to have very much torque on anything larger than what you saw me use here. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.